What's up, you guys? Back at it again today with another mukbang video, and we got
Wingstop. Okay, so somebody requested for us to eat Wingstop, so you asked, we deliver. We got Cajun corn. What's that? Mango habanero. I believe that's mango habanero. That's mango habanero. We have Cajun chicken tenders. I guess regular chicken tenders. Atomic wings. Louisiana rub wings. And then we have our fries. Brownies. We're gonna try something new today. We have lemon pepper sauce. So I've seen it in a video where we would, well, it was a limited time thing where they did lemon pepper atomic. So I got a side of lemon pepper sauce, and we're gonna dip our wings, our atomic wings, in the lemon pepper sauce. Spray over our food. Man, okay.
a piece of corn too. Louisiana rub.
Sweet.
And that spice kicks up. Very sneaky spice.
I like it, but it's not too much though.
I'm eyeballing these atomics because I can eat one or two and then I'm on fire.
Fries, rich. I really love these Louisiana rub.
The way they're kind of like how they make the lemon pepper. They're like dry, Cajun. That was good. Big bag, big bag. We can split it.
What sauce? Atomic wing.
Sauce.
Yeah.